Good day everyone, my name is Cristel, your reporter in Calabarzon Region, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Sa introductions, Calabarzon Region, it consists of 5 provinces wherein the word Calabarzon is comprised of one or more letters of each province, named Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Dito tayo sa video muna.
So let's dive into the roller coaster beauty of Region 4A, Calabarzon. The Region 4A have 5 provinces. They are Batangas, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, and Rizal. The first one, Batangas. Batangas is bordered by the provinces of Cavite and Laguna to the north and Quezon to the east. The province cumulated at 351,435 population through census in 2020. There's a lot of attractions that you can enjoy here, but I give you one. The Masasa Beach. Masasa Beach, which was once a hidden paradise, is now among the best popular beach destination in Batangas. Its undeniable magnificence allows you to escape the hustle and bustle of the city life and get closer to the nature. Sublian Festival is the annual observation of the cityhood of Batangas City. This is to renew the practice of the Supli to represent during a feast as a ceremonial worship dance in honor to the Holy Cross. Next, Cavite. Cavite is located on the southern shores of Manila Bay and southwest of Manila. It is the most industrialized and fastest growing provinces in the Philippines as of 2020. It has a population of 4,344,829 via Wikipedia. The People Park in the Sky is a historical urban park in Tagaytay, Cavite, Philippines. The park was converted into an incomplete mansion. It is put here with someone you love and enjoy the place with food. Bacalao, salted fish dish present every Good Friday. It is inherited by Portuguese, which uses dry salted labahita as main ingredient. Third, Laguna. Its capital is Santa Cruz and the province is situated southeast of Metro Manila. As of 2020, Laguna accumulated a 3,382,193 population. Laguna is also famous for its tourist attractions, stunning waterfalls, and cold and hot spring. The Seven Lakes. The tourist is in love with it that consists of Sampaloc, Mahikap, Palakpakin, Calibato, Pantin, Yambo, and Bunot Lake. Fourth, Quezon. Quezon Province was named after Manuel L. Quezon, the second president of the Philippines and the first to be freely elected. The Sena City is the main and the popular city of the province. Quezon had recorded a 2,960,048 population through census in 2020. Quezon is known for its historic churches and places of worship. One of the oldest and famous churches is the Minor Basilica of St. Michael the Archangel, commonly known as Tayabas Basilica. And lastly, Rizal. Rizal is about 16 kilometers east of Manila. The capital of Rizal is Antipolo. In 2020, Rizal recorded a 3,330,143 population. Rizal is rich in history and culture. It is famous for its museums and heritage churches. Their famous festival, Gigantes Festival, celebrated in 22 and 23 of November in the city of Angono province of Rizal. Gigantes are puppets rendered as man or woman in various costumes.
Okay. Dahil sa rich in culture, heritage, and tradition, the Calabarzon region takes pride in its many attractions that date back to the Spanish era. It is home to many natural and scenic attractions that attract many locals to spend a day or two in any of the five provinces of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Its regional capital is Calamba City, Laguna. Capital dito sa Batangas, capital nito is Batangas City. Land area and hectares, 3,011,975. Major industries, agriculture, fishing, livestock, trade and commerce. Number of cities, tatlo. Number of towns and municipalities is 31. Sa Cavite naman, capital is Imus. Land area, 157,417. Major industries, agriculture, fishing, livestock, and poultry. Trade and Commerce Industrial Zone. Number of cities, 6. Number of towns and municipalities, 17. Sa Laguna naman, ang capital nito is Santa Cruz. Land area, 191,785. Major industries, agriculture, fishing, trade and commerce, tourism, manufacturing, industrial zone. Number of cities, 6. Number of towns and municipalities, 23. Sa Quezon naman, capital nito is Lucena. Sa land area, merong 906,960. Sa major industries, agriculture, fishing, industrial zone. And number of cities, 2. Number of towns and municipalities, 39. Sa Rizal naman, merong capital nito is Antipolo. Land area is 119,194. Major industries, agriculture, trade and commerce, tourism, textile, manufacturing, and mining. Number of cities, 1. Number of towns and municipalities, 13. Ports of access in Batangas. By sea. Terminal is a key gateway in the Philippine Nautical Highway system connecting the island of Luzon to several provinces in the Visayas and Mindanao region. It connects the province of Batangas to Oriental Mindoro, Western Visayas, Negros Island region, and Zamboanga Peninsula. By land, the province of Calabarzon region is very accessible from Metro Manila and various parts of Luzon. Several bus companies offer daily trips to this province and also with different routes. Getting around, private van and car rentals are available to move around the region, as well as public modes of transportation. One can take bus to move from one province to the another, or a jeepney and tricycle to get around the towns. Sa attraction and activities naman sa Batangas, historical, culture, and heritage attractions here in Batangas. Meron ditong Taal Heritage Village, Mabini Shrine, Gen Malvar Museum, Jose Laurel Memorial Library, Punta de Santiago Lighthouse, Faro de Punta de Malabrigo Lighthouse, Batangas, Tanawan Church, Basilica of Immaculate Conception, Church of Gilierno, Our Lady of Kasaysay Shrine, natural attraction, Kalatagan, Mangrove Forest, Taal Lake and Volcano. Ito yung attraction and activities sa Batangas na historical, culture, and heritage attractions. Ito naman yung natural attraction sa Batangas. And ito yung build attractions. Sa Cavite naman, historical, culture, and heritage attractions. Gian Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine, Corridor Arlan, Fort San Felipe, Dasmariñas Catholic Church, Andres Bonifacio House, Tejeros Convention Site, Manlong Barracks, Malita Tunnel, Natural Attraction Tagaytay Ridge, Cabog Cave, Mount Palay-Palay, and Mount Mataas na Gulod, National Park, Pico de Loro, Balite Falls, Malibik Falls, Field Attraction Cavite City, Library Museum, 13 Martyrs, Continental Plaza. Ito yung historical na, ito yung picture nila. Then, ito yung sa natural attractions. Sa build attractions. Sa Laguna naman tayo, historical, culture, and heritage attractions, underground cemetery, Japanese garden, Rizal Shrine, Pila Heritage Site, San Isidro de Labrador Parish. Natural attractions, Mount Makiling, Pagsanhan Falls, Tagaytay Falls, Taytay Falls, Pangil River Eco Park, Cavinti, Underground River. Build attraction, Pansol Private Resort, Enchanted Kingdom, Villa Escudero, Lake Caliraya, Novali, Splash Island, National Arts Center. Ito yung itsura nila. Ayan. So, natural attractions and build attractions. Sa Quezon naman, historical, culture, and heritage attractions, San Isidro Labrador Parish, Basilica of St. Michael the Archangel, Lucena Cathedral, Quezon Museum, natural attraction, Cagbalete Islands, Salibungot Beach, Dampalitan Beach, Quezon National Park, Minasawa Bird. Build attraction sa May Jesus Shrine, Coconut Pavilion. Ito yung picture nila. Ayan. Ayan. Sa Rizal naman, meron dito Antipolo Cathedral, Tanay Church, Manawag Shrine, Angono Mural Street, natural attraction, Masungi, Geo Reserve, Daranak Falls, Kalinawan Cave, Daraitan River, Tinipak River, Wawa Dam, Pamitinan Protected Landscape, sa build attraction, Hanay Parola, Regina Rica, Pililia, Windmills, Bahay na Bato, Avillion Zoo, and Pinto Art Museum. Ito naman yung itsura nila. Ayan. Ayan. Ito naman sa range of accommodation ng Batangas. Villa Crystalline, City Sleep Inn, Talisay Green Lake Resort. Mayroon diyang budget less than 1,500 per night. Sa mid-range, 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Meron diyang White Castle Hotel and Resort, Hacienda Parasa, Garden Resort Hotel, Hotel La Corona de Lipa, Day Hotel Batangas, Taal Imperial Hotel and Resort, Planet Dive Hotel Cara. Sa high-end, at least 3,000 per night. Pico Sand Hotel, The Palm at San Benito, The Suite at Mount Malarayat, Anilaw Awari Bay Resort, Lux Loop Hotel, Costa Salterino. Sa Cavite naman tayo, meron ditong budget na less than 1,500 per night. Hotel Sogo Bacoor, Spring Plaza Hotel, Campari Inn, One Serenata Hotel, Dragonfly, Transit House. Sa mid-range, merong 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Microtel by Windham Eagle, Range Cavite, Cool Martin Resort, Destination Hotel South, Forbes Kalipayan Resort, Casa Verde Boutique Hotel and Gardens. Sa high-end, at least 3,000 per night. The Bayleaf Cavite, Microtel by South, Windham South, Forbes Nuvali, Tansa Oasis Hotel, Island Cove Hotel, Mount Sea Resort, The Hills at Silang. Sa Laguna namang ganun din, meron ding 1,500 per night. Traders Mega Inn, Dragon Hotel, Asia Blooms Inn Hotel Pavilion, Tropical View Inn, Grove Nature Garden Inn. Sa mid-range, merong 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Oxenhan Falls Lodge and Summer Resort, Green Glass Boutique Hotel, Rock Point Hot Spring Resort, Hotel Casa del Rio Resort, Villas Socorro, Agri-Eco Village Farm and Resort, Fresh and Green Lodging Inn. High-end, at least 3,000 per night. Tahanan ni Aling Meding Hotel, Blue Hotel and Resort, Orlando Resort, San Tomas Suite, Microtel by Windham Thomas Batangas. Sa Quezon naman, budget na less than 1,500 per night. First Quezon Premier Hotel Lucena, Lucena Premier Hotel Candelaria, Grand Central Hotel, CityLink Hotel. Sa mid-range, 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Queen Margaret Hotel Downtown, Mountain Rock Resort, The St. Joseph Residential Suite, Nature Villa B&B, Alroa Spring Resort. Sa high-end, at least 3,000 per night. Placeland Estates and Country Club, Batis Aramin Resort and Hotel. Sa Rizal, sa less than 1,500 per night, meron ditong Pacific Park Hotel, Gold Star Garden Inn. Sa mid-range, merong 1,500 to 3,000 per night. Merong Glass House, Stradella Hotel, Alta Roca Mountain Resort, Modern Peak Suite and Private Resort, Lorland Farm Resort, Gems Hotel, The City Walk Suite Apartment, Club Manila is Taytay. Sa high-end, at least 3,000 per night. Thunderbird Resort, 7 Suite Hotel, Bosay Hotel, Calo Spa and Resort, Libak Exclusive Resort. Dito naman tayo sa mga sikat na pagkain sa Batangas. Yan, merong bulalo, kaldereta, tapang, taal, goto, Batangas Long. Ito pa, tamales, bitchokoy, kapeng barako, bibingkoy, kesilo, pansit pusit. Ito namang bibingka de makapuno, kinulob na itik, bibingka abroy, kasaba cake, and uraro. Ito naman yung karaniwang pasalubong na kesong puti, bibingka, espasol, suman sa ibos, halaya, latik, matamis na bao, kasaba cake, yema cake, buko pie, lansones, kapeng barako, lambanog, lukban longganisa, food fair from Liliw, Laguna, pandan bags, and mats barong in woodcraft. Ito naman yung mga festival nila. Sa Batangas, Nasublian Festival, ginaganap noong July 23. Diyan, a 2-week-long festival in honor of town patron Santo Niño in Batangas City. Sa parada ng lechon, ginaganap tuwing June 24 to showcase their delicacy lechon and roasted pig. Sa Kabakan Festival held on una ng December. Sa Lambayok Festival, ginaganap noong December 12 to feature the town's products lambanog, lambat, and palayok. Sa Balsa Festival, ginaganap tuwing May 8 to promote Bamboo Beach Raft or Balsa and the beach of Matabungkay. Sa Lomi Festival naman, ginaganap tuwing June 20, held in Lipa City to showcase their delicacies Lomi. Sa isa namang Tinapayan Festival, ginaganap tuwing May 15 to showcase their local delicacies and to ultimately feature the hardworking panaderos to Kusena, Batangas. Ito naman sa Cavite, mga festival nila is Kalayaan Festival, ginaganap tuwing June 12 to provincial-wide celebration of the Philippines independence. Sa Kawayan Festival, tuwing September, ginaganap yung wait lang. Kawayan Festival ginaganap tuwing September 7 to showcase various bamboo products. Sa Pahimis Festival ginaganap tuwing ikalawang linggo ng February to Thanksgiving Festival held for an abundant harvest of coffee in the municipalities of Amadeo. Ito namang Wagayway Festival, ginaganap tuwing May 29 to honor the historic hosting of the Philippines flag in the province. Sa Tinapa Festival naman, ginaganap tuwing October to promote and showcase the Tinapang Salinas of Rosario, Cavite. Ito naman sa Regada Festival, ginaganap tuwing June 22 to 24. Ginaganap tuwing June 22 to 24, a water festival in celebration of St. John the Baptist. Then sa Piao Festival, ginaganap tuwing August 20 in honor of Saint Agustin, and Tahong Festival during September 29 to promote and showcase various cuisine using tahong as the main ingredients celebrated in the town of Bacoor. Ito naman sa Laguna, Pandan Festival tuwing April. It is a week-long celebration to showcase pandan crop and products in Lusanya, Laguna. Coconut Festival tuwing January 15 to showcase their main source of product, the coconut. And Patingaw Festival tuwing January 16 to remember the legendary Kampanang Ginto, which is said to bring bountiful harvest. Sa Piña Festival naman, ginaganap tuwing May to showcase the delicious and sweet local pineapple of Caloocan. Sa Gatayaw Chinelas Festival tuwing first week ng Abril, to celebrate and support to the industry of the footwear capital of the Philippines. Then sa Festival of Light, to celebrate the Christmas season and to attract tourists to visit San Pablo City. Sa Mayohan Festival naman, ginaganap tuwing May 15 to the version of Pahiyas Festival of Tayabas, Quezon to honor San Isidro Labrador. Niyog-Yugan Festival, August 15, in celebrate of the bountiful harvest of coconut. Boling-Boling Festival, to celebrate a week-long festival in Catanawan, Quezon, preceding the Ash Wednesday, where the locals put mud or grease all over their bodies and roam around the town. Dito naman sa Tagul Tol Festival tuwing July 29 to August 2 to celebrate the rich culture of Atimonan, Quezon. Sa Rizal naman ito yung Gigantes Festival tuwing November 22 to 23, showcase the pageantry of giant paper figure. Sa Peace San Isidro Labrador tuwing May 15, to honor their patron Saint San Isidro Labrador with the colorful processions of carabaos. Sa Kaluskos Bamboo Art Festival tuwing first week of December. Ito naman yung held in Cardona to showcase the local bamboo art, preserve the local artistry. Sa Santa Cruzan naman, gaganap tuwing May, or Flores de Mayo is also celebrated in the Church of Antipolo. This also coincides with the month-long pilgrimage to the Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage. Major cultural groups in Calabarzon are the Negritos or Agtas and the Tagalog. The Negrito groups in Philippines are highly dispersed. One group moving to the Pacific side of the Sierra Madre Mountains and the other group the western side of Pinatubo. The people are short, dark, and have kinky hair, who are hunters and gatherers, will burst in the use of bow and arrow. There are at least 25 recorded groupings. Ay. Major industries in Calabarzon include semi-processed industrial raw materials and industrial components, automotives, electronics, and manufacturing. Sa language and dialects, meron dito English, Filipino are widely spoken. Batanggenyo is spoken in Batangas and Cavite Chavacano. Then guide question for discussions. Merong, what are the major activities that can be done by tourists within the Calabarzon region? What rare attraction, activities, and flora or fauna exist in the Calabarzon region? If you are to design package tour of the region, what kind of tours will you have and what sites and attraction will you include? Prepare a SWOT analysis for the region of filling out following the table terms attraction, accessibility, accommodation, amenities. Ayan yan. Geography check and activity. Write your own travel diary of a province you have personally visited in Calabarzon. In case you have not visited any yet, choose one province and create a fictional travel diary similar to a bucket list of one destination within the region. And regional and provincial slogan. Search the internet for the current region and provincial tourism slogan used by the different provinces within the region. What does each slogan highlight? Knowing the attraction of each province, it is most appropriate tagline to use. If not, do you have another suggestion on the slogan tagline to be used? Ayan yan. Thank you. Thank you for watching.